Good morning, everyone. And I'm just starting my skincare routine with OpenCreator face cream.
On my way downtown for an audition.
I really like this one. It looks so natural.
Final outfit check before I walk in.
One of our users made this ultra-realistic UGC-style vlog starring an AI influencer. So how did they do it? Number 1, write a simple vlog outline. A blonde fashion model's day, from morning skincare to landing a big interview. Number 2, upload the image of your chosen influencer. Here, a New York career woman with big city vibes. Behind the scenes, let Claude 3.7 Sonnet act as your creative director, crafting a detailed storyboard for every scene. Let Flux Kontext handle styling and set design, unmatched in realism. Let VO3 bring it all to life as a vivid, moving vlog. Need voiceover? Ask Claude Sonnet to write the lines, then let Fish Audio deliver them in a natural, everyday tone. Want music? Drop it into the music block and get the perfect soundtrack in one click. Hit run, sit back. Boom, done. A consistent, lifelike UGC vlog in just 5 minutes, ready to showcase your product. What's even better? Drop all your clips straight into the built-in video editor. Cut, polish, and finalize without ever leaving OpenCreator.